This government promised that we would accord with the rule of law when we draft legislation. SOSMA does not accord with the rule of law. It is against the rule of law because it does not give basic protections to those who are arrested. In fact, it takes away so many of the rights that are afforded to others under the CPC. We are not saying we don't want security laws. We must have security laws, but they must be fair security laws. Just because there are security laws and you use the word terrorism, it doesn't mean you can take away all the rights of an individual. Now, what's going on is we have so many who are under SOSMA, who are unable to get bail because there is no judicial oversight. All we are asking for is a security legislation which allows the judiciary to have control over the process, where everyone has to report to the judiciary. In other words, you cannot hold anyone for 28 days without going to the judiciary, because the judiciary is the best judge of whether there is sufficient evidence to hold someone under SOSMA. That is all we are asking for. We've seen the charges that have been brought against those who are recently arrested. They cannot even get bail while waiting for trial. That trial can take ages. They could be acquitted, and yet they would have lost so many years of their lives when that was not warranted. So all we are asking from this government is follow what you promised. This is an unacceptable law in New Malaysia. Unacceptable. We are ready to provide consultation. We have done a lot of work on this. Seven and Swaram and all those here. We are prepared to be consulted at short notice. So we are asking for some amendments, at least for a start, to be put forward in this session of Parliament.
The flimsy evidence that SOSMA actually gets into show it actually is it opens up a very dangerous path. For example, pictures in the handphone. In my own Kawasan, I have 5 cases of SOSMA. One is pictures in the handphone, forgot to actually delete it from the website and it's in the computer. One was a bodybuilder talking with friends